Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to free up disk space on Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. First step, you just need to right click on the recycle bin and select empty recycle bin. Select yes. You need to make sure your recycle bin is empty. After doing this step, you just need to go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. Click on this drop down and select the drive you want to free up disk space and select OK. Select clean up system files. Again select the drive and select OK. And this will help you to find all the leftover and unwanted junk files on your C drive guys. Now you just need to check mark all of these listed over here. Then you just need to select OK and select delete files. After finishing this, let's move on to the final step guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On right side select storage. You just need to scroll down under the storage management. You just need to make sure storage sense is turned on. If it is turned off, you just need to turn it on guys. This will help you to clean up temporary files on your system guys. And after doing these three steps, you can check how much free space you get from disk C. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.